In Issuetrak, escalation rules keep your issues from sitting too long by sending an email notification because specific criteria match the issue. To set up your escalations, navigate to Administration, Business Rules, Escalation Rules, and click Add. Each escalation rule is set up in 4 steps. Step 1 is where you specify how long the issue has been sitting, either since it was submitted or when the last activity occurred. Step 2 sets your conditions or why that issue is escalating. Select as many or as few options as needed. For example, issues with a certain priority, or ones that are unassigned. The more conditions you set, the fewer issues will match all the criteria. Move down to Step 3 and set what automatic actions should happen on that issue when the rule runs. This could include changing priority, adding a note, or even closing the issue. Step 4 is to give the rule a name and a process order. The rules run in the process order and will escalate the issue on the first match without continuing through subsequent rules. Since the process order is a unique value, you can set the process orders in increments of 5 or 10 in order to have room for future rules. Finally, click Save. That's escalation rules in Issuetrak.